Hi, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to install React Tailwind CSS, I mean Nativewind in the Expo and the React Native CLI. And also, I will show you how to set up this Nativewind in the JavaScript file and the TypeScript file. I hope you understand what is the purpose of this video. And let's get started. Okay, so this is the documentation of Nativewind. Okay, so the installation of Nativewind, I mean the Tailwind CSS Expo in the Expo and the React Native CLI is same. Okay, so let's begin. Let's start from the install Nativewind. Okay, so there we have to just install two packages. One is Nativewind and second is Tailwind CSS, and in the this documentation is same. Okay, so remember that you have to just install Tailwind CSS version 3.3.2, not the latest version. You have to install Tailwind CSS 3.3.2 because the Tailwind CSS 3.3.2 will work in the Nativewind. Okay, so just copy these two command by clicking this icon, and here it is. I already create a project using Expo. Okay, so don't worry about this TypeScript. I will show you how to set up in the JavaScript file and the TypeScript file. Don't worry about this. Okay, so let's set up. Let's paste and wait for some moment. Okay, so first of all, Nativewind already installed, and second is Tailwind CSS now will be installed. Just click in the and wait. Okay, so after installing two packages, you have to go the second step. Okay, second step is you have to create a tailwind.config.js file. In this file, you have to add this content. Okay, so don't worry about this. What does mean it content? I will show you. Okay, so for creating this tailwind.config.js file, you have to just write this command npx tailwind css init in the command terminal. Okay, so just create and just paste enter. After that, just go to here it is. In the file tree, you will show the tailwind.config.js, and in this file, you have to just put this command, not this, and just I will show you. In the content, it means that it will represent this file or this folder, those folder which file are used for designing using Tailwind CSS. Okay, so look at this. This is if you are using React Native CLI, then you understand what does mean it app.js, JS or TSS or TSX file. So I am using Expo, that's why I will remove this file, and I will just use Tailwind CSS in the app directory and the component directory. Okay, so for that reason, I will add the app and components. Okay, so you have to just set a comma and Ctrl S for save this file. I hope you understand. And that icon means that in the app or in the component file has a lot of JS file, TX file, and TSS or TSX file, and you have to detect those files for the designing using Tailwind CSS. I hope you understand what I am saying. So in the second step, we already finished the second step. Now let's go to the third step. Third step is that you have to just config babel.config.js file. So in the file, you have to add this plugin. Okay, so let's go to the Babel config file. Here it is, and add the plugin. Okay, and Ctrl S for save this file. After saving these three file and after finishing this three steps, and our work is done. Okay, so let's go to the index.js, and here it is, my app is running. So just adding Tailwind CSS, you have to just close this terminal and you have to start the code using npm run and -c. Okay, if you are using Expo. Okay, so just a minute, just wait for running this application. Now you can set Tailwind CSS. You can write Tailwind CSS in the file, not name, see class name, and I want to large this text. Okay, so 5 pixel, and just I want to remove this thing, and Tailwind CSS done. Okay, here it is. Okay, so and if you want, you can change the text color, rows, and here it is. Okay, also you can change the color as a div, and don't worry about this error. I will remove this warning. Okay, just wait for me. Okay, so this I hope if you are using JavaScript for this project, then this error will not show. Okay, and if you are using TypeScript in this for this project, then you will face this type of error. For removing this error, you have to go the documentation, and here it is, TypeScript. Just go, and it will say that you have to create this file. Okay, so let's create a file, nativewind-env.d.tsx .ts, not tsx, ts. Okay, and in this file you have to write this code. Okay, and go to this file and write this code and Ctrl S. After saving this file, you will see that this error will gone. Okay, so I hope you understand what I am saying. And another thing is, after set up Tailwind CSS text in the class name, and you will maybe you will see that your text will not change. Then you have to just close the server and run the server, that npm run start -c. Okay, that's mean it will clear the previous data and it will start the application from scratch. Okay, and you can see, you can also change this text if you face any error or issues. Okay, and I hope you understand what I'm saying. Thank you so much.